reach safely without any delay. Let my vehicle be here only. Oh God! We would have hit now.
We and all won't do like that. We will be very careful, you know.
No wonder. In spite of my trying for so long, I didn't
Yeah,
get
what
you.
you're saying now?
No, I was simply blabbering.
Okay. A new officer has come to this village.
How is the person?
He's very smart.
Oh, so you decided he's handsome. So the rest of us are not handsome here, huh? This is the problem with ladies. You guys just have one thought. Anyways, I don't think he'll be as handsome as me.
Oh, you are really handsome as me. Go inside and mark the attendance.
Oh, okay, Aishwarya Rai. Oh my God. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who are you?
Babu, sir.
Babu, sir?
No, sir. My name is Sir Babu.
What do you want?
I am the village assistant here, sir. I came to sign my attendance.
What is the time now?
The time is now 9:45, 10, 10:30, 10:45.
Can you tell me the exact time?
It's 10:45, sir.
From tomorrow, you should put the signature exact by 10 a.m., okay? Understood?
Okay, sir. Can I sign, sir?
Yeah, here.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave.
Did he say anything?
He's a new boy only, na? He was asking me to help him. Now, if you want any favor from him, you can just ask me.
Oh, really?
And I am telling to everyone's notice. There will be too many village officers coming here, but the same Babu will be here forever. So none of you should act too smart. That's it.
If cats are not there in the house means rats only will rule, no?
Mr. Babu.
Yes, sir. Oh my God.
Sir, please,
What
sir.
is it? You please
I
sign
can't
here.
do it.
At
No,
least
I
you
can't
sign.
do it.
Oh, Granny,
I'm
you go
grandmother
and come
for
on
you?
Monday. Please. Yeah, I am already on fire now. Oh, yes, sir.
How you will have
now
today,
he
you know
was
that?
just fooling everyone, no?
Is the new village officer inside?
He's there.
How is he?
There is no big problem, but he's a little strict.
Then I'll pour some milk to dilute the strength of the tea little.
Have you brought it with you? Milk to reduce the strength. Go and make it yourself. What else to do? Who is he to reduce the strength of tea? As if he's a tea stall guy. He's come for some reason only.
Good morning. Myself actually belong to this village only. I'm BDP party's district secretary. Got to know that you took charge recently, therefore thought of coming and meeting you directly.
Nice to meet you. I'm Mr. Roy.
Oh my God, I know everything in detail about you.
How do you know?
My dear sir, BDP is not a very small party as you think.
Uh-huh.
It's spread across large and wide all over the place, right? Okay, let me
Yeah.
come to the point. Why I came right now is, in our village here, landfilling of farmlands is happening at a very large scale all over the place here. But we were actually protesting against that, but in vain. But we need your help for this reason.
For the benefit of society, I can do anything. You should help me for that too.
Oh my dear sir, we are there with you. Okay then, you carry on with your work. I am not disturbing you
Okay.
further. We shall meet
Thank
later.
you.
Bye.
See you
Take
later.
care.
See here, you should not cheat. Play properly, okay? Give that coin to me.
My family is playing carrom board.
What happened to our children admission?
Everything is ready.
How was the school, Daddy?
It's a good school, dear.
From when we have to go to school?
You have to go from tomorrow.
They are expecting for the leave, you know that? You take bath, I'll bring the tea.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, it's me, sir. BDP district secretary, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually I've sent a complaint letter through Babu to you. Just read it and kindly do the needful, sir. They did all this without the permission of our party, sir.
All right. Mr. Babu,
Yes, sir.
has Mr. Surangan given you any complaint?
Yes, sir, he has.
Bring that to me.
Okay, sir. Oh my God, where have I kept it? I don't remember. It's not here. It's not here too. Oh my God.
What for you're searching, sir?
It is that Surangan scrap or something. I can't find it here.
You might be hidden somewhere
Hey,
carefully.
please keep your mouth shut now. You're jolly joking here when I'm on fire. Oh, you said this. Oh,
Yesterday when you're leaving only, he has come and gave you, no?
no. What?
Yesterday evening while you're going, he has given, I said.
How much is
Hey.
it?
No. I will pay for you.
No.
No, buddy. I said I will pay.
If I get a person like this daily, it would have been nice.
Okay. See you later.
If it is like this every day, it would have been
Have this. This bar is really convenient for me. I will come here every day.
What you're thinking, sir?
I had 1.5 yesterday. Somebody else only gave the money. I just came out immediately.
1.5.
Yes, 1.5.
Mr. Babu.
Sir,
Where is the complaint letter?
if you give me some time, I will get it for you.
What is he saying that complaint?
That is, they are flattening the farmlands without any permission. Nowadays, it is very common, sir.
Do you know that area mentioned that complaint?
I know. As per the village records, it is a farmland, sir.
Then let us make a visit there.
Okay, sir.
Hey, mister, just stop it.
Sir, this is the place I told you.
Tell him to stop it. Let him come here. Will you please stop that?
Oh, please stop it.
I said stop it. Can you please come here?
What is it, sir?
Excuse me. What is your name?
Raghav.
Do you have a permission for this?
What does all that mean, sir?
Actually, to work on this land, you should get a permission from the government. Do you know that?
Sir, whatever poor people do, that's a big issue. The wealthy can do anything. All I have is 8 cents of land. On that, I am just trying to make a shelter for me and my family. I don't have money to bribe the political parties, and that is why all the issues crop up.
You will get a permission for this, sir. You just have to come to my office. I'll prepare a request letter for you. You just have to give it to the RDO office. Everything will be okay. Till that time, you have to stop this work, please.
Can I believe you?
Of course. You come to my office. Give me a petition. I will do the needful.
Okay, sir. And are these formalities are only for the poor, or is it there for everyone?
Why are you asking like that?
Please pardon me, sir. Just in the next plot, around acres of farmland is being filled. There is no problem for all that. The people there have actually met all the concerned people and everything is fine.
Mr. Babu, do you know the place he is mentioning?
Yes, sir. I know the place.
They will know everything, sir. They are connected with those people only. That is why he is being restless.
You don't talk too much, okay? Sir, you come, sir.
Okay, we'll meet at office.
Okay, sir.
Sir, he is simply talking, sir. I'll just go and check, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
How many acres is this?
5.
Do you have an RDO permission for this?
Well, that's,
You don't have. Okay, stop the work immediately. You will get a stop memo from my office. Okay?
sir, that...
Can't you understand? I'm telling you very clearly, this work should be stopped at the earliest. Otherwise, you'll have to face the consequences for that. Mr. Babu,
Sir.
come, let's go.
Okay, sir.
Abhilash, did you write the imposition? Did you finish? I only asked you first. You say, I wrote 19 times. I wrote 10 times. Okay, come, let us finish now. Look, no need to write answer fully, okay? If we write shortly, it's enough. Teacher is not going to read fully. Hey, there is an idea for me. We can write 12 after 10. And after that 50. It will be easy.
Good morning. Sit down. Do you write the imposition? Those who are not completed, just get up. What is this? Not even wrote the answer properly. That is, you are cheating with me in numbers. Go out and stand.
Oh my god. Cha. Oh no. Oh.
Why you're standing now outside?
I didn't write the imposition.
Say why you didn't write.
I was able to write only little.
Teacher, is Achu is reading well?
Before he was doing very good, but currently he is not studying.
Okay, do one thing. Tomorrow while you're coming, you have to bring your parents. Teacher, let him sit in the classroom now.
Okay.
Okay,
come inside.
take this.
As one of the old melodies springs back onto the lips, and which is followed by all of us. Everyone has a dream which has to come into.
Why did you stop, dear? You sang really well.
He is going to sing this song at the youth festival.
Oh, really? I got the short film DVD and Achu acted.
Who is
Get
it?
me a cup of tea.
Hey, we all of us have girlfriends, but he don't have, no? Hey, I don't want any girlfriends.
Hey, did you saw Titanic movie?
Hey, come on, accept my love. All heroes used to be back of heroines, no? No, I'm very scared. No need to get frightened, Ra. You have seen a lot of movies, no? Do like that. Will not get any problems now? No, you won't get anything.
No problem, we have guts to love.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning, my dear students. Please sit down. Did you done your homework? Please show it to me. Very good. Next. Neeraja, who gave you this? Achu, stand up. Achu, you only gave this letter to Neeraja? You are bowing down after doing some mistakes? Come here. Walk soon.
Do you know one thing? He is having a girlfriend.
Achu, why you did like this?
Mummy, actually my friends told me
Look at this. See what he has written in this letter.
while you're walking on the school corridor, the breeze which is passing through your hair will get a special fragrance. Only I can feel that smell. That day itself I decided as you're my girlfriend.
What is that fragrant smell? Tell me that. When me and your sister walk, you did not get the smell?
Actually, Mummy, I have wrote these dialogues from one movie, Mummy.
This is the problem of the kids. They are spoiling themselves by watching TVs and movies. They are doing all sort of works beyond their age. When they are watching TVs, only parents can guide what they have to see and what not to see.
Very good.
Good
Thank
work,
you,
dear.
Daddy.
Have you really fallen in love with her?
No, Daddy, it's just a movie.
Culprit.
He always used to speak with her, Mummy.
Who's that?
Do you need your daddy's help for that?
No, Daddy.
You don't tell anything and don't spoil the kids. Already he is not listening our words.
Please don't make fun of me, Dad.
I was just joking, my dear son. Okay, go and study.
Get up, get up. Both come and do the homeworks. Walk fast. Don't be lazy. It's getting late for the school.
Mummy, I won't go to school. I'm frightened.
I told you to complete the homework yesterday. If you are doing it continuously, I'll inform to Dad.
What is the matter? Tell me, dear.
Your son is misachieves me. Your son only, right? He will do like that only.
What happened?
Principal informed me to come school.
What's the matter?
He is not studying properly.
Huh?
He is not answered the question. He did not write his imposition too. So only she called me. Whatever you go school and ask them. What they are going to say, God only
Will
knows
the
that.
principal scold me? Anyway, let me go and meet.
Excuse me, sir. We can come inside, right?
Come in.
Sir, you might have recognized him,
Yeah,
right?
I met him before.
He's actually a very good friend of mine. He's actually starting an ice cream factory. That is why he's actually filling up that land. And moreover, he's doing with the permission of our party only.
That's a new news for me.
Oh, what?
I mean, the party is giving permission for such activities.
Sir, are you trying to be sarcastic?
Not at all. I said because I'm sorry for them. You talk in public preserving nature, but the same people talk behind to destroy these things.
Sir, if you keep talking like this, then nothing is going to happen. This is actually going to help 10 people get their jobs. Therefore, you should just cooperate.
I will definitely cooperate. They should submit the project report to the government through proper channel. And if he gets the government sanction for that, then I will do the needful as per the law.
Oh God. Sir, this government is inclusive of all of us, right?
That is the biggest problem of this country.
Mr. Surangan, I don't think this fellow is going to agree to any of us.
You can go ahead with your work. I have better work.
I will tell you what you should do. Don't think you can sit on this chair till you feel like. Only if you sit on this chair and place will you stop us doing from what we are doing, right? I'll show you, man. You come here, sir. We should not come and
Hello?
stoop in front of him.
Yes? I will come immediately. Mr. Babu?
They are very influential people. It was not right to fight with them.
I think I don't need any advice from you on this matter. So please don't try to teach me, okay? Listen. About that unauthorized filling of farmland in Shashankan's plot. You have to prepare a report immediately.
Okay, sir.
I've got some urgent work outside. If somebody calls me, tell them that I'll be coming back soon.
Sure, sir.
Alright. Excuse me, madam.
Yes, come in. Please be seated. Achu is having severe fever. Take to the doctor as early as possible.
Can I take him immediately, madam?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Nothing to worry. It's just allergy. Get tablets from outside. Excuse me, doctor.
Hi.
Good morning.
Mr. Roy. Come, sit down.
How are you, doctor?
How are things going on?
I'm fine, doctor. My son has got fever.
Is it? Come. What's your name?
Achu.
Oh, sweet name. Show me your tongue. Extend it some more. He's okay. Anyway, let me check up. Oh, it's just a small viral fever. The temperature's on the higher side. I'll prescribe a medicine for it. See that the temperature doesn't increase. Don't you have a daughter too?
Yes, doctor.
See that she stays separately for some days.
Alright.
Because viral fever is contagious. Okay, Achu, take care.
Let us leave,
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Come dear.
Look
Ah,
here, what
have
I
this, it's
bring
for you. Come.
Hi, Dad. Come.
Come.
What dear, how are you?
We came to know only when Chandra called us. What did the doctor tell you?
He's affected by viral fever. Doctors informed that the temperature should not increase.
Where is Achu?
He is sleeping inside the room. Come,
Dad,
we'll
how
go.
was your journey?
Journey was good. We were about to go out, but we came
Okay.
here.
Doctor told me to take care of his health. I had to take care of that.
You're still not yet ready, yeah? Come on, we have to go, no?
Mommy, you and Daddy
No,
is not
my dear.
coming, no? Then I also won't go.
Listen my words. Brother is not feeling well, so it will be infected for you also. After 2 days, mom used to bring you here. Okay?
Look dear, give him rice soup. It will be very good.
Come dear, we'll get ready. Keep this one.
Doctor says nowadays we have to be very careful about any fever.
It's not like olden days. Those were just fever, but nowadays they have viral fever. Complicated diseases.
Let's
Okay, dear. Come, let's go.
Okay, Dad.
go. Okay, we'll leave.
My dear,
Okay, uncle.
I'm leaving.
Please
Take
take
care,
care.
dear.
Come, dear.
Yeah. Take care.
Daddy, thief, Daddy. See,
Hey,
someone is there.
who's that?
Look at him.
What happened there?
Nothing. You must have felt like that.
I'm so scared.
Don't get
Don't be
scared,
afraid,
darling.
dear.
Be
Come
brave,
here.
dear. Come, have proper sleep. Hey, just switch off the light.
I should not switch off the light, right?
All right, then sleep.
Brother, how much the fish cost?
This is 60 rupees a kilo.
It's too costly, brother. What about this fresh fries?
This is 250 rupees.
Oh my god, you're saying one sari price?
Do you actually want to buy this or what?
This much costly you are saying, then who will
Then
get
shall
this
I take
one?
sardine for you?
This is definitely better than other one. Give me half kg of that. Brother, then, if Sandra asked me about that, just tell her I bought a big fish, okay, brother?
Okay, I'll
You
do.
will inform her, right?
I said
Give me
okay.
other 2 fish also. Hey, Sandra. Hey, just see this one. Sandra? What, sister? Just wait. What happened in your home? Yesterday I heard some sound. That is, yesterday someone is torching the light to my room, sister. I don't know who's that. And we scared a lot. Then he came outside and saw one ladder is fallen down. Then no one is there. Shit, you know, they are not thieves. This is a regular affair here. There are some prevents over here. Due to them, ladies can't even hang their undergarments on the outside. First, we have to give severe punishment on this. Sister, I have to give coffee to my child. Okay, Sandra, then how is your son now? He is so scared. Let me go, sister. Okay. She only have the work, huh?
Pulikal Matthew.
Sir, can you please see this one?
Oh, this is going to take some time, I guess.
It's very urgent, sir.
If there is any benefit for me, I'll think about your benefit also.
I did not understand.
Actually, what is there to understand in this? You come after 1 month, we'll consider it then. Huh? Oh, that is simply kept there for some fashion. If you keep staring there, your job won't be done. Oh, $100 only. You come after 15 days. Oh, don't beat me with the broom. Oh, God. Oh, don't. I'll explain everything. Oh my God, what are you thinking about for so long? Without wasting time, you do whatever you can. 500. Okay, I'll do it very fast. You go and sit there. Sir,
Yeah. Yes,
there
Mr.
is an
Babu.
application for a land transfer. It would be fine if you just sign it, sir.
Let me check it first. You bring the register immediately.
Actually, she's waiting outside,
Mr.
sir.
Babu, tell them to come in proper channel.
Oh God, she said it was very urgent for her. And not only that, she's a very good friend of mine.
Mr. Babu, I cannot sign it without checking the records. Tell them to come later. We'll check the details completely and then do the needful. You don't worry. I will do the needful. Okay? Come on.
It's a work done?
No, actually, he's a very lousy character. You please come here. That is, this village officer is a very straightforward guy and he does everything in a straightforward manner. So therefore, you come after 7 days.
Then what about my money?
The money actually I've debited into my account.
Then credit it back to me.
Is it? Take it. And then don't come here again for this, okay? Go.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Oh, sir, is it you?
So what news, Babu, from your end?
What to say, sir? You have become promoted as a Tahsildar and you are not remembering
It
about
is
us.
not like that, Babu. You know the schedule there, right? Okay, is the village officer
He's
inside?
there inside.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
He's a very nice man.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, please sit down,
Thank
Mr.
you, sir.
Roy. I just came here as I was passing this way.
Kind of you, sir.
And how is this village, Roy?
Well, not much of an issue.
Also, got to hear that there was some issue regarding some land filling.
You're right, sir.
Before finalizing the report, please show it to me. Only send it after my approval.
Okay, sir.
Why, man, should we get into unnecessary trouble? Okay, then I am moving.
All right, sir.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy.
Hi, my dear. Did you have something to eat? After coming from school, did you start studying?
Yeah, studying, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Come, Roy. Sit down. Tell me, how's your job?
Not that good. Political involvement in the work is too much.
That happens everywhere, you know. But don't get cross with anyone. Heard Emmanuel has been transferred?
Yeah, he got transferred last month.
Oh.
Have tea, dear.
Yeah.
How is Achu now?
He's getting better, Mom. Let her get ready. I have to reach home at the earliest. Traffic is too much during weekdays.
I have to tell you something. She's always watching cartoon channels alone. No other channels at all.
That
Don't
dear?
let her do that. She'll spoil herself.
Grandpa is angry because he's not able to see the serials.
Did you hear that? She has to get nicely from me. That's it. This is why I told you don't spoil children showing TV.
I think we have to give her some
Come,
nice
Next
sleep.
time when you come, you'll get it from me nicely. Come, let's have tea.
Thank you, Dad.
Hey, Achu, look at here. See how many chocolates are there. All are for you only. Mummy, why Achu is not speaking with me?
He is not feeling well, right? You go and change your dress first. Go. Achu, please drink some milk. Achu, please have little. Keep the ball that side. Achu, drink a little milk, please. Please have it.
Why does he look weird? Achus?
Dear, from the morning he is not even talking anything. Not eating anything too. I am getting scared.
Don't worry, my dear. Maybe it's yesterday's shock. I have a lot of work in the office tomorrow. So you take him to the doctor. Call an auto rickshaw. Okay, I'm really tired today. Get me a cup of tea.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Sit down. Okay, there's a patient. I'll call you
Sit
back
here.
later. Sit down. Yeah, tell me, how is Achu's fever now?
Doctor, he is not even talking anything.
What happened?
He got afraid seeing something outside the window the night before last. When we saw, he was fear and he was crying. From that time, he is not even talking anything with us.
Let me check you, Achu. Breathe in and out. Yeah. Fever has been reduced. Maybe due to the shock out of fear. Anyway, take him to the nearby child development officer. Actually, they alone can tell you exactly what has happened, okay? I have one of my friend, Mr. Gopinath. You take Achu there. I will inform him today.
Okay, doctor. Dear, did the doctor talk about the psychiatrist, right? You know?
Yes?
What happened to Achu? Is that serious problem?
No, not a big problem, but just a detailed checkup, that's it. You don't worry, darling.
Then Tessie?
Tomorrow, let her go to the school by an auto. We will take him to the hospital. Let's pray to the Almighty and have a good sleep. Good morning.
Please take your seat. What is the problem?
He had a severe fever. At that time, he got scared seeing something. We have brought the test report too.
Nowadays, he is not even speaking anything. He used to be very smart kid singing and jumping around.
Anyways, let me just examine him. Both of you, please wait outside.
Okay, doctor.
Sister, please come here.
Yes, doctor.
Please make him lie down there.
Come, child.
dear. It's all a method of treatment, that's it. He'll be fine soon.
Doctor asked you alone to come inside.
What happened? Dear, what happened? Dear, please, what happened to Achu?
Oh, nothing much. Let me drive the car.
I feel very upset. Just tell me what happened. What happened to Achu?
Sandra, let us reach the home first.
Come, Achu. At least tell me now what happened to
Hey,
him.
that doctor doesn't know anything.
What did doctor say?
Doctor had said that our Achu is losing his pranks and mischiefs.
What do you mean?
Doctor's got a doubt that Achu is going into a void condition.
Please tell me clearly to me.
Doctor's got a doubt that Achu's got autism.
Autism?
Yeah.
For my Achu? 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 What happened to you, my son? Achu? Achu, what happened to you, Achu?
Sandra, my dear Sandra, please don't cry. Maybe that doctor is mistaken. Our son is perfectly alright. He doesn't have any problem.
Achu? Achu?
Daddy? Why you people are crying?
Nothing, dear.
Say what is the matter, Daddy?
Your brother Achu is not well. Okay, I'll get you some tiffin now. You come and have it with me.
I don't want anything. I want to be only with Achu. Achu, what happened to you, Achu? Just say something to me, Achu. Come on, speak out, Achu.
My Achu. How can I bear this? Oh my God, how can I bear this? Good morning, doctor. Morning. Come, buddy. What did the doctor tell? Doctor says he's got autism. Is it? I know Dr. Jayakrishnan, who's an expert in such cases. Can you take him there? I can take him anywhere. I just want him back, doctor. When you go there, be prepared to stay there for some days, Mr. Roy. I'm sure you'll get back your son. Thank you, doctor. I'll inform Dr. Jayakrishnan. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Hello? Yeah, say it,
Auntie, we have to go to hospital with Achu, that's why.
What happened here?
Nothing to worry. He has a viral fever, that's why.
Oh God, take care of my Achu.
Auntie, Tessie should stay there with you.
Then what will happen to her studies?
Her studies more important than our son, Auntie. He needs to be better, Auntie. That is what I want, please. Then, Auntie, I need some 25,000 money.
Surely I'll give you.
Okay, Auntie.
Mr. Babu.
Sir,
Mr. Babu, my son is not well, so I'll be on leave for a week's time. I've informed the Tahsildar.
Please give this leave application to him.
Okay, sir. What is the problem with your son, sir?
I'll tell you everything after I come back.
Okay, sir.
Come. Auntie, please take care of her. I'll start.
Roy and Achu are not coming inside?
No, uncle, I has to go, please.
Oh.
Look here, my dear. Nothing will happen to you.
My dear, nothing will happen. Come back soon. Okay? Take care, dear.
Bye bye.
Excuse me.
Yes?
We have come to meet Dr. Jayakrishnan. We've got an appointment with
Yeah,
him.
doctor informed us already. He is the back behind the hospital. You can go straight by this way.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Come, Achu.
Dr. Jayakrishnan?
He is there.
Thank you.
Yes, everybody please smile. Now try to laugh openly. Yeah, just open up a little more. Yes, yes.
Good morning, doctor.
Yes.
I'm Roy. Dr. Anil had referred to you.
Yes, Dr. Anil, right?
Yes, doctor.
And you are Achu. Achu? You're a smart boy. Okay, so let's go to my consultation room. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Just show me his test reports. Achu? Hi. Anil had called me and explained me Achu's case in great detail. I was told that Achu got scared seeing someone. It could be a mental shock due to that. After being sick in this manner, do you remember him asking for something he deeply desired?
Ah, yes, he likes fruity very much. He was asking about that while we coming here. Yes, dear?
You guys don't worry. This has nothing to do with autism. It's just a mood disorder. Anyways, we got to go for a detailed investigation and treatment. You will have to stay for a week.
Doctor told me we are prepared for everything.
Alright, good. Please come here. You may go to your room and relax now. We shall start the treatment from tomorrow. Teresa,
Yes, doctor.
please take them to the room.
Please come.
Thank you,
That's
doctor.
okay. Achu, bye.
May I come in, doctor? Good morning.
Please take a seat. Please sit. Achu, come. He's become smart. I'm gonna gift Achu something. Achu, do you know what this is?
Chocolates.
Don't you want them? Alright, here you go. So, are you going or what? Where are you going?
To house.
Roy, you may go home now. But you should keep dropping in.
We'll come.
Due to the fear, Achu's psyche was affected slightly. And you cannot get rid of it rapidly like other ailments. It might take a couple of years to recover completely. You gotta be a little more patient for this chap. Your love, care and affection will definitely bring him back to life gradually.
Definitely we can wait for any time, doctor. We are ready to sacrifice anything. We just want him back as our old Achu.
Everything will be fine. Please see to it that he doesn't hurt his mind again. When you send him to school, tell all his teachers regarding his ailment. The ailment of the mind is very much like the ailment of any part of the body. You need not feel ashamed of it. Medicine should be given properly to him. For anything, you can call me.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Achu, you will be a smart boy, okay? Bye-bye.
Come, Achu.
Look her, dear.
What?
After finishing this, once give a ring to the Roy.
I'll try calling him.
Oh, they have come. Go, dear. Go and open the gate.
Yeah, it's them. Open the gate. Achu, come.
Achu, dear.
What happened to him?
We travel such a long distance, so you
Oh,
become very
all right,
tired,
all
I
right.
think so.
Did you people ate anything or not?
Yeah, we had something.
Mummy,
Mm.
I need a cup of tea.
One for me too.
Mm.
Has the fever gone completely?
Yeah, he's fine, Dad.
Hope everything is okay.
Nothing to worry.
Oh,
Just a little tiredness, but he'll be gradually okay. That's what doctor told.
that's not a big issue.
Roy,
Hi, Rosama's sister.
how is your stay in new place? Whether it's
Yeah,
good or
it's
not?
fine. We were staying at our father's relative house. It's actually a furnished house. They have some tenants at the ground floor.
We have to come one day and we have to see something.
Sure, you're always welcome. Sandra, come, let's go.
Oh, very soon now itself you people starting? No, we have to start, Rosama. Why your son face is very gloomy? He is having some fever. Okay, auntie, you
Okay.
take care.
Okay, Dad, we are leaving.
All right. Okay, dear.
Grandma, Grandpa,
Bye.
bye.
Okay, take care, dear.
Okay.
Hey, did you lock the door properly? You locked? Just come soon. Dear, they all came, just see. Let me ask where they had gone.
Don't you have any other job? Just get in the car.
You be silent. I'll go and ask. Sandra, we are planning to go movie. After a long time we are seeing. Where you gone? My father is not feeling well, so we went to see him. Now how is your father? Now he is alright, sister. Now there is no problem, right? No, not a problem now. Okay. Sandra, how is my saree? You never...
Mummy, come, let's
Achu,
go.
come.
I have lot of work, sister. I'll go. Okay.
I can't allow you to smash my presidential opponent.
Thank goodness you've arrived. Does this mean I'm first mate? Skipping.
Achu, give the remote. Hey, please give the remote, Achu. I won't give. I want to see cartoons. I told you to leave. Please, Achu. Go. Achu, please give me the remote. Please,
Why you both are
Achu.
fighting
I
now?
want to see another channel. Please, Achu. Give Achu. Hey,
Tessie, please be
Only
silent,
one
Tessie.
touch,
Brother is not
please.
feeling well. Please listen my
Mommy,
words.
I want the
You watch the
remote.
TV later, okay? Come, let's go.
Please continue.
Dear, come and have your breakfast. Tessie,
Yeah, coming, Mummy.
Achu, come.
Does this mean
有
I'm
豪
first
雨
mate?
而湿湿的冬天，应该感谢墨西哥湾暖流这台巨型海洋空气调节机。
No, I'll do it. The horse seems to be angry. If Kalia falls,
的冬天，
He's not even coming to have food.
He is watching cartoon.
He's really crazy about cartoons.
空气调
You should reduce watching it, otherwise he'll have problem.
Yeah.
the horse seems
Let
to
me
be
give him
angry.
food.
If Kalia falls,
What happened, dear? Have food.
Achu, please have this one.
I don't want.
You are my
I
darling,
don't
right?
want. I'm saying no.
Please have little. If you don't like, just leave it.
I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
Achu, please have this and watch cartoon. Mummy will feed you. You will watch cartoon. Okay?
Achu didn't got up, Mom.
No, dear. He is not feeling well, right? Once it will cure, he will come to school.
Then I also won't go to school.
Daddy is waiting outside. Please, you go.
Hello.
Dr. Jayakrishan?
Yes.
I'm Achu's dad, Roy.
Yes, Roy. What's news there?
I just called you to tell about Achu. He is always watching cartoon channels alone. He is very crazy about that cartoon characters alone.
That's not Achu's problem alone. It's the problem of the entire generation. When they lose the villagers and neighbors, they sink into their own cocoon. And thereafter they depend on cartoons and the characters in that. And Achu's problem is, he imagines himself as one of the cartoon characters. Please don't allow him to do that. Send him to school. Let him mingle with other children.
I have a small doubt. He's doing all these things just to avoid his school, I think. Sometimes I feel that he is playing clever.
Don't worry. We shall change him slowly.
Okay, doctor.
Take care of him, my trusty vulture. Faster, go, go, go. Olive wakes up, snaps out of it.
Thank goodness you've arrived. Does this mean
Sandra, the function at Jacob's house is tomorrow, right?
How we will go with him? Just look at him.
first mate skipping? Thank goodness you've arrived.
But how can we leave him at home? I think he'll feel better if we take him outside.
Thank goodness you've arrived.
But people will come to know about him, right?
Even now, he's not moving with anyone. That's not good. I think it's better we all should go for the function tomorrow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, why are you doing like that? Hey, why did you do like that? You should not do like that, na? Huh?
Yes.
Hey,
Oh my God.
I won't leave you.
Achu!
Achu,
Will you
leave
do
him.
us again like
What
that?
are you doing now?
Achu!
Leave. Just
Achu,
listen
leave
to my
him.
words.
Leave you,
Get
see.
up, Achu.
What
Come,
I'm going
Achu.
to
Achu.
do.
Please.
Get up
Come.
now.
Come, I say.
Achu, what are you doing here? Achu, please listen to me. Calm down. Calm down.
Why did you beat him? Huh?
What, dear? Did you get hurt anywhere?
He is your
I
friend,
don't
right?
like him. I want to kill him now.
Achu, please cool down. I said cool down, please.
See their parents how they are taking him. Not even saying even a word after this much of problem.
Don't cry, dear.
How can you say that? In that function, we become very shame. I told you yesterday itself we should not go. See now how it was happened. Are you happy now?
But nothing bad happened now. It's normal for the kids to quarrel themselves.
On the time you should see his face. I become very sad if everyone knows that.
Okay, you don't worry. We'll try to avoid such functions in future. You get ready. We'll have some food outside. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Good, good, good. Achu. Enough, Achu. Enough.
Come, Achu. Come, we'll go.
Come, let's go, Achu.
Come.
Come, let's move.
Come.
Come, dear.
Come, dear.
Please sign on these 3 copies, okay?
Also by Hansaplast. पेन नहीं तो रोना नहीं.
Achu, stop watching TV. Come, let's go. Come and steady, please.
Mummy, I want to play a game.
Once father come, he will take you there. Come.
I want to go now, I said no.
I said come with me.
I told you I want to play a game now.
Achu, come here.
Leave me.
Just stop it.
I want to
What
go
I
for
said?
playing game.
Come and steady, I told you, right?
Please leave.
I told you to come and steady, but you are beating me.
I will kill you
Achu,
now.
just listen my words. I will beat you, Achu. I will see you, Achu, now. Achu? Achu! Where are you now? Achu? Achu! Where he went? Achu, where are you? Achu? Did you see a small boy wearing a red color t-shirt going by this way?
Boy around 10 to 12 years?
Oh, yes.
We saw him going by an auto this side.
Oh, is it? Can you please take your
Sure, I'll come.
Please go fast.
Hello?
Achu ran out from the house. When I came to auto stand, the auto rickshaw people are saying he went into an auto. I'm also in an auto. I'm just searching for him. I'm getting scared, dear.
I'll come immediately.
Sister, that's auto your son went.
Achu? Achu, where you went? Where you went, Achu? Why you are doing like this and all? I feared a lot.
Achu, what did you do? Where did you go? What have you done, driver?
Why? What happened?
If a small boy asks for a ride, you will take him like that?
That is, he wanted to go to the mall to play some game.
In which stand do you park?
Oh, so you're blaming me or what? You should lock up deranged kids at home and not disturb other people.
What did you say, bloody bugger?
Hey,
I will not leave you.
why are you hitting?
Bloody, what do you know about my son?
Dear, please leave.
Oh.
Come, let's go.
Oh.
Dear, please
Oh.
come, dear. Dear, dear,
Hey,
please.
See, what is being hitting people. Hey, leave him. Stop it. Hey, come here. Hey, you're hitting him.
Hey,
Come on.
Hey,
Hey, come on.
Buddy.
Hey, you're hitting him on the road. Hey, can always do all this nonsense, huh? How dare you hit him on the road in front of us?
Dear,
What a powerful,
please
huh?
leave him.
How dare you?
Don't beat him, please. Please,
How dare
we
you?
never do any mistake. Please leave
Hey,
him. Please.
move it. Hey, move. Hey, come on. Get up.
Dear, get up.
Roy, this is too bad. You did not tell anything about Achu to us too. It's too bad that you didn't even tell us about Achu's real illness. That's really bad. Actually, Dad.
What, dear? We are not the outers, no?
Auntie, everyone knows about his illness.
If you keep on talking like this, his disease will increase. That's it. You have to take him to a good hospital and treat him. Be practical, my dear.
Sandra, what Dad says is right. Let us admit him in Dr. Jayakrishn's hospital. We'll bring him back when he's completely alright.
What are you saying?
What Roy is saying is correct. If you always think about him, what will happen to Tessie? She'll be thinking that you people are not having any love and affection on her.
But he is not feeling well, Auntie.
That's what I said. Don't spoil a whole family just for him. If you people keep quiet, everything will go out of control. Do you think Tessie will get a good bridegroom in the future?
Look here, dear. Don't be adamant. First, take him and admit in the hospital.
I did not understand anything. Whatever you do, I won't interfere.
Wait, dear.
Anyway, we will take him to the hospital tomorrow itself.
That's the best decision.
What?
Dear, I need my son. I can't live without him.
I also want Achu, Daddy. If he beat also, I don't mind. I also want Achu, Mummy. Please.
Don't be sad, dear. He'll come back. Please calm down, dear. Don't let our daughter also worry. Tomorrow itself we'll go and bring him back. Let it be dawn.
Now all of you should sing and dance. Yeah, there, at that place. Yeah, go there. Yeah.
Achu! Mummy? Look here, Achu. We'll go home and play, okay?
Achu?
Achu?
Hi, doctor. Good morning, doctor.
Yeah, good morning. What's the matter, Roy?
Doctor, actually,
You cannot be without him, even if it is for one day, right?
yes, doctor. We are planning to take him back.
That is good. Mental disorder is actually not a fatal disease. If you would have abandoned him, he might have plunged into darkness forever. This love will bring him back surely forever. Do you know one thing? In that crowd, I also have my brother.
Doctor?
Yes, Roy. My parents were not able to take care of my things, as they were busy taking care of my brother who was an artist by birth. When I was studying for the pre-degree,
Hey, what are you doing, man? Why the hell did you tear this, you fool? I'll make you all right. I'll make you all right. This is my life.
He did unknowingly. He is your brother only, right? Are you the only one for him, right? You should never leave him, please.
as my mother said then, I wrote and passed both the entrance exam as well as the exam I missed the very following year. Joined the medicine course and became a doctor. Following that, took DM in child psychiatry. And when I thought about my marriage,
Hey, didn't you recognize them? My cousin's wife's sister's relation they are.
Yeah, correct. Who is this?
He's my son. His younger brother.
Oh, really?
actually he's got some mental problem.
Yeah, just a minute. Actually, we didn't know that you had a second son like this. Our daughter has to come and take care of him also, right?
We are not desperate to send her out like this.
Okay, come, let's go. I understood one thing, that it would be very difficult for me to find a bride who would understand a brother of this nature. Only when such a child takes birth in one's family, one will know what the real pain is. Since I was really not able to abandon him, I took a serious decision that I will never marry in my life, and that I would dedicate my life totally for him.
To get my Achu back, I'm ready to bear anything, doctor.
Everything will be fine. I'm pretty sure that you would get your same old Achu back.
This is enough for me. I'm deeply praying the God for this purpose only.
Everything would be fine. Try sending him to school. Don't take him to play games. Alright, you can contact the reception.
Okay, doctor.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Mummy, tie my plants, please.
Did you see I'm doing something here, you know that?
Mummy, I'm not able to put properly.
Tessie, it's getting late for school. I don't have time, I'm telling, right? Go and tell to your dad.
Always like this only. You're not doing anything for me. Go to your class. You also go. I will complain to teacher. Wait.
There are various complaints to face.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Achu was not feeling well some days, so he didn't come to school. I have informed to the principal also. Teacher, please take care of him. Okay. I will wait outside. Okay, thank you.
Can be recycled, but not all of them. Did you notice that? Polythene bags and some plastics did not rot in Activity 1. You may not easily understand why polythene bags created big problem in garbage disposal. It might be very difficult to imagine. Achu?
What happened? What's that?
I'm getting sleep.
Okay, you can sleep now.
Shall we list a few things that is not recycled easily? There are few things which is made up of plastic. that is radio, refrigerators, television, etc. These are made up of plastics. From the above point, we know that the uses of plastics.
Actually, when I'm sitting here, why are you worrying? He'll straighten up everything.
That is why I'm confident.
Ha!
Sorry, sir.
Come in, man. This gentleman is our own man. I just called for you to discuss about his case. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Ah. Mr. Roy, with an intention of opening an ice cream parlor, Mr. Shashank has bought that property. There is actually a couple of issues around it. Can't you set all that right?
You're right, sir. In fact, I wish to do some business in my own native. And that's why I planned for this sort of a business. And that's synchronized with his arrival.
All the real estate guys talk like this, sir. They fill the land and sell it in pieces to poor buyers for a much higher rate and make millions of rupees, sir. This is very bad.
Oh, see, this is none of our business, right? Yeah. Roy, why are you being so stubborn? See, look here. There will be some benefits for us too.
Sir, I don't want those benefits. Nowadays, farming is just for namesake alone. Selling my consciousness is not possible for me.
Are you very sure?
Of course.
Okay, you may go.
Thank you, sir.
I don't see any chance of him improving. He says he can't sell his conscience. At least he can pledge it, right? A big fool. Otherwise, what can I call him?
Where is Achu?
He was inside. It was very difficult to make him sit into the school.
Oh, it's just his first day. Everything will be better.
Dear, tablets are over.
You could have told me this earlier. It's already 7 p.m. now.
Now only I remember. I'm sorry, please.
Okay, get me the torch. Madam, can I have these tablets?
How many you want?
About 10 tablets, madam.
Hey! Hey, what is the noise there, sir? Hey, who is it? We can hear some noise there. Where are you? Who's it? Hey, come on.
What happened to you, dear?
Oh, nothing happened. Somebody bit me in mistake.
Oh my god.
That's all right, dear. Keep this torch and the tablets inside. Let me take bath.
Oh my god, what happened to your face?
Oh, some guys who can't accept me as a village officer just played with me. That's
Sir,
it.
you have to be careful. Nowadays, lot of rowdies are roaming.
That's right, sir. If anything happens to us, only our family is there.
Let's face everything, Mr. Babu. Don't worry.
Oh my god.
Achu, why you broken the remote? I can't bear it. Why you are doing like this? Why you are torturing like this? Huh?
Go!
Hey, what are you doing? You're beating me? Come here. Come here, I say. Get into the room. Go. I'm going to lock this room. I'm going to teach you a lesson.
Why are you closing? Open the door! Open it! Come on, open it! Open the door!
Hello?
He torturing me a lot, dear. I can't able to tolerate this one, dear. Today he was beaten me. I don't know what will happen in the future.
I have some problems here. We'll discuss after each home. Mr. Babu, it's an urgent file. Don't delay this like other files.
Okay, sir.
You have to give it at the earliest, I'm telling you. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Where is the document copy and the tax receipt?
Oh, I don't have that one.
Then I can't do anything.
Madam, can you please do one favor?
Without those documents, I can't give any certificates. Once go and consult him.
Yeah. Yes, madam. Please sit down.
My boy, can you please do one favor for me?
Whatever is possible for me, I'll do it for you, madam.
My husband is no more. I'm having 2 daughters now.
Okay.
I work on daily wages only. Now our house is about to fall down position. Seeing the condition of the house, the Panchayat president told me to provide a new house. For that, they are asking some certificates and some forms and all to submit there.
You'll definitely get it. Just give an application in the office. I will do the needful at the earliest.
I gave the application to the girl sitting outside. But she says she wants a full copy of the document and tax paid receipt and
Why?
all.
Don't you have the receipt?
We stay in a place which we got partition of our family property. The original mother document is with my brother-in-law. He is a rogue. He won't give it to me. He is trying to take this document also.
Do you have a tax paid receipt?
After my husband's death, I can't able to pay the tax. I forgot to pay the tax.
Don't worry, madam. I'll give a letter to the sub-register. Madam, give this letter to the sub-registrar's office near to your house. Once this letter is given, they will give you a copy of the document. Once you bring that document here, I will do the needful for you. Don't worry. I will take care, madam.
Is sir inside?
Hey, he's there.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
It's a letter from Tahsildar's office.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Babu?
Sir?
Mr. Babu, I won't be here for some days.
Why, sir?
Well, a small suspension.
What happened, sir?
Took an unauthorized leave. That's what they have charged. Just a vengeance for not bending to their wishes.
Actually, sir, shall we find someone to
Hey,
talk for you?
not at all required at all. I'll sit at home taking care of my son, Mr. Babu.
Why you are so sad, mummy?
Nothing, dear. Please go and change your dress. Go. Dear, he is doing such a nasty things. He is torturing and abusing me a lot. I can't able to tolerate this. He is killing me a lot.
Hey, Achu! Achu! Did you try to beat your mom today? Let me see whether I can make you alright. What do you think of yourself?
Don't beat him. Please listen. Please leave him, dear. Please, dear. Just leave him.
Just shut up, okay?
Please don't beat him. I'm telling you, right? Please don't beat him, please.
No, Daddy.
Achu. Achu.
Don't cry, Achu.
Were you born only to get beaten up, Achu?
Dear, if you buy him a computer, you won't get so violent. He can also play games. Is happiness our happiness too, right?
Yes. But did you forget what doctor had told?
If you get time in the office, please ask the doctor tomorrow.
I'm not going to office tomorrow.
Why, dear?
Well, some stupid movements from the local politicians have been suspended.
I told you earlier a lot not to fight with them. You understand now?
You don't worry about all these things, dear. Relax yourself and have a good sleep.
Hey, give me. Hey, this is my biscuit. Hey, give me. Don't take my biscuit.
Come here. Come here. You are a rogue. What you did now? Come here. Come.
Mommy.
Achoo.
Mommy.
Teacher, please stop, teacher. What happened to him? Why you are beating Achu? Hereafter, don't do anything for him. I'll take care of him. I will take care of my son. Come, dear. Because of him, I can lose my job. You better teach him in your home itself.
Hi, dear.
Daddy.
Dear, today what he did in the school, you know?
What happened?
He is hurting the other students. He tore their books. The teacher trashed him and beated him lot.
And then?
Hereafter, I won't take him to school.
This is his tactics not to go to the school.
We should take him to the hospital first.
We'll take him after a week. Do one thing. Just get ready. We'll go outside to get relaxed. Hey!
Achu!
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 Achu! Hey, Achu, stop there! Achu,
just
please
stay
stop!
there. Achu, come here!
Achu, stop!
Achu!
Achu, what are you doing
mommy.
there? Achu, please!
Daddy.
You!
Achu! Achu! My dear!
Mommy, I'm so hungry.
I will give you dinner.
I don't want all this.
You ran to the sea, that's why we couldn't go to the resort.
I want paratha and chicken.
You give him bread butter jam. Achu, you better eat that. Otherwise, you'll get it from me nicely, I'm telling you. I'm already becoming mad because of you.
You just don't talk unnecessarily and spread the news around. You just talk as I say. That's all. Otherwise, you know what will happen, huh? Okay, just do as I said, okay? Just keep in mind all that. Okay, just move aside. Stand
Okay.
here. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I have a doubt. I think this suspension was not required right now.
Mr. Babu, I don't have to play second fiddle to anyone. I can live happily even without this job.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, whatever you said is right. If you're finished sleeping, go home, lady.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Oh, madam.
My son. As you said, I got the copy of the document now. Gave it to Babu sir and also paid the tax.
Mr. Babu, did you give the certificate?
Son. I just submitted into the panchayat also and got my new home. Thank you so much, my son. I'm a poor lady, you helped me a lot. My prayers will be always with you, my
Be
son.
happy, madam. Anything you can call me, okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay. A very nice lady. Poor thing, she's suffering a lot. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, we are coming from the college in our town. We are conducting a food festival in our college. We appreciate if you would be a chief guest. Sir, it would also be nice if you come with your family.
When is the function?
Sir, it is on 15th, sir.
Time?
Time is at 5:30 p.m., sir.
5:30 p.m. Okay, I'll come.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
see
Thank you.
Hello?
I told him to study, so he is angry.
Achu, what happened dear? Can't you read?
No, I won't read.
What's the reason?
I'm not intelligent. So don't ask me to go to school again.
This is due to the frustration since you tried teaching him. Till we go to the hospital, please don't give him much stress.
Okay, dear.
Daddy, often Achu is beating me.
Dear, your brother is not feeling well.
You're also not affection on me. You're not saying Achu anything at all.
First, he will get well soon. Then he will come and play with you. Okay?
Sandra, coming 15th there is a food festival in the nearby college. I've been called as a chief guest. We have to go.
Shall we take Achu also?
Didn't you hear doctor telling that he should be socialized? So we have to take him.
Okay.
I welcome the entire August gathering present here on behalf of Snehacharya Institute of Management and Technology. A good evening to all. Along with that, I would also like to welcome our chief guest, the village officer Mr. Roy, to light the sacred lamp and speak a few words to us. Sir, please come up.
My dear students, I'm really happy that I've been called here as a chief guest to attend this food festival. You guys who have joined this course in the hotel management, you will all get very good jobs at the earliest. My good wishes for that. Your duty is to study and be good citizens for the society. Your parents at home have a lot of expectations on all of you. You have to fulfill that. There is a dream for every father and mother.
Give the
fulfill
balloon.
that.
No, I won't. Give the balloon. No, I won't. Give that balloon. No, I won't. I'm saying you to give that balloon. No, I balloon.
What are you doing? Can't you sit quiet?
You go, man.
Oh my god, Achu!
Sorry, my son is not well. Please excuse us. We are leaving. Doctor, I am Roy. Achu is always refusing to go to the school.
Yeah, we should not take that seriously. Somehow you should manage to make him sit at school.
But he becomes violent when he's at classroom.
No, that's alright. He's just protesting against us to not send him to school. That will change slowly. And I hope you are not showing him cartoons, right?
No, doctor.
Good. Is he being stubborn to play games?
Yes, he gets stubborn. But we don't allow him. And that makes him more violent.
Well, those are just frustrations. Everything will be alright.
He started hurting his mother and sister too much.
Well, how is his approach towards you?
He's scared of me. He's scared that I'll beat him when he does a mistake.
Ask your wife to keep a cane with her always. In that case, he would be scared and he wouldn't harm. And you should never beat him, okay?
Okay, doctor.
And you just do one thing. Just bring him here this Sunday. Till then, don't send him to school.
Thank you, doctor. Have they slept?
Dear, did you call doctor?
Yeah, I called doctor.
What did he say?
Doctor said not to send Achu for some more days to the school.
He become very violent, you told that?
Yes, I told. He told me to bring Achu this coming Sunday.
What about Tessie?
We will take her along with us.
I believe in God. I hope God cures him fast. Dear, one matter. Before going, we have to go to the church and pray.
Definitely. We'll go tomorrow itself. We'll inform Mr. Babu about my leave.
Okay. Dear,
Yeah.
have to take a leave for a week. If they are telling us to stay there, for that purpose only I'm
Okay.
saying.
You want me to buy something?
If I need, I'll call you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye, Mummy.
This was the time you got up? Come and have your food.
I want to play games.
See here, don't make a problem in the morning itself. I'll call to your dad.
Why you saying to him? You want me to get beatings from daddy?
If you are doing some mistake, sure he will beat you.
If you say daddy only, he's beating me, no? You are a devil.
Hey, what
I
you
don't
saying
like you.
now? Stop it!
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Mr. Babu,
Sir.
I am on a leave for a week. I want to take my son to the hospital.
Everything will be alright, sir. God won't forsake those who do good.
Now all my prayers are only for my Achu alone. When I see other children playing and doing mischievous things, my heart is really paining. Do tell me, when can I see my Achu playing like that?
Everything will be alright, sir. We are all praying for your son to get better.
Hello?
Is it Mr. Roy?
Yes?
Please come home fast.
What happened?
Please come fast, we'll tell you.
What's the matter? Hello? Hello?
What happened, sir?
Mr. Babu, there's an urgent problem at home. I have to reach home at the earliest.
Then I would also come with you, sir.
Don't waste time. You please come fast here. Don't waste your time. Shit. Did you inform all their relatives?
I have informed them, but they are so far right.
Should we not inform the police?
That I've done already. They'll be coming very soon.
Okay.
No, you try to make them understand. This is not something which I can shout and speak, na? Well, you hang up, sir has come. No, you leave, I'll take care of it. Yeah, go.
What happened? Please tell me. Tell me what happened. Hey, Achu! Achu, my dear son! What happened? Tell me what happened, my dear son! Achu, tell me what happened! Achu, please tell me.
Mummy.
Oh my God.
I didn't do anything, Daddy.
Oh my God.
My dear Sandra. My dear Sandra.
Now, what is the point in talking all that now? Yeah, forget it. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, it's very sad. Yeah, I'll call you later.
What had happened?
Actually, Roy sir was in the office. His daughter was in the school. And then she and her son was only there here. The little boy is actually unwell.
What do you mean?
That is like mentally he is not well.
How did this happen?
Well, that if the boy is the reason or if she has fallen down accidentally, I don't know.
Alright.
My dear Sandra. My sweetheart.
Sir.
Babu. Sandra. My dear Sandra. Sandra.
Sir.
My dear Sandra.
Sir.
My
Sir.
Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy.
Sir.
Take him away from here.
Sir, see, police has come.
My Sandra.
Please catch it.
Please hold
hold
this.
it. Please
Yeah,
hold it.
here.
I'll hold
Please
it.
hold it. Come.
Sandra.
Inside.
Oh my dear
Sir, it's okay, sir. Control yourself, sir. Sir, it's okay, sir. Control yourself, please. Yeah, please, sir.
My dear
Sir.
Sandra. My
Yeah.
dear Sandra.
Sir, it's...
Mommy.
Son.
Sandra.
Hello, just move away.
Mommy.
Mr. Roy, we are taking your son.
What?
We have to ask him some questions.
My dear son. My son. My son. Please don't take him. Please, my dear son. Don't take him.
Sir, we'll go bring him back.
I beg you.
Sir, we'll go bring him back.
Please don't take him. Achu, my dear son. Don't go, Achu. Don't take him. Achu. Please, sir, please. Achu, my dear son.
Daddy, I want to be
Don't
with
take
you,
him away,
Daddy.
sir.
Daddy.
Please.
Daddy, please. Daddy,
Please,
take
leave him.
me.
Achu.
Leave me.
Achu.
I want to
Achu, my dear son, Achu.
go. Daddy.
My son. Sir, what happened? Remembering some of my old memories. Can I have some water?
Yes, sir.
Start the car. Good morning, doctor.
Ha! Roy,
Yeah,
please come. Sit.
thank you.
How is your daughter's studies?
Everything is going on well. There's some good news. Achu's result has come.
Is it? That's reason for celebration. Before that, should we not let him know?
Sure.
Then come in.
Achu?
Hi, Papa.
Achu, you have passed your MD in first class.
Papa, I want to share this happy news with Mom. Come, Papa. Mummy, I passed. My dream has come true.
My dear Achu.
Papa.
Police confirmed that Sandra's death was an accident. Mr. Roy dedicated his life for Achu. Achu became a brilliant psychiatrist. He started working to save the children like him, so that no one else would have his destiny. Seeing all this, somewhere from behind the clouds, that mother would be smiling.